What's up, my stay-at-homies? I'm Josh, and I'm here to give you some pointers on how to write a song. You don't really need anything to write a song. You don't need an instrument. I just have my guitar here, and you don't even need a topic or an idea for what you're going to write your song about. You just have to start making some sound, some noise, some mumbling, some humming, and then those sounds, they'll start sounding like words, and then you'll be like, oh, maybe the song's about that word, and then you just see what happens. Let's give it a try. Oh, okay, so I said it kind of like sounded like city, so maybe it's about a city. Let's see where that goes. Oh, I'm down in the city and things look really pretty. See what I did there? That's called a rhyme. Rhymes are great for songwriting. They really get you going, and it sounds nice to the ear. So this song's about a city that's pretty. Let's keep going. I was down in the city and the city looked real pretty. I made a friend and we went to the park. We saw a dog and it barked. Great song. That's as easy as it can be. So go make some noise, go make some sound, start humming, see what the sounds sound like, and then you're off and running. You know, you don't have to be too loud because everyone's kind of stuck indoors. So maybe find a quiet area to do your songwriting. So. Thanks for listening, and I can't wait to hear the songs that you guys write. Bye.